Hi, my name's Jeff Embry. I'm an attorney and I handle products liability claims. I want to speak to you today about a product called a Lasko box fan. These are common household fans. They could be purchased at major retailers like Walmart and CVS. The reason I want to speak to you about it is these fans have been the subject of two different recalls, one in 2006 and another in 2011. And the issue that is prompting these recalls is a fire hazard. Our law firm has handled several of these cases, and we have utilized electrical engineers and other experts to investigate the cause of the fire. And what we have learned is that the fires are occurring inside the motor windings themselves. The copper wiring inside the motor can have an electrical arc. That's a very hot, quick fire. And there are flammable materials inside the motor. So when that fire occurs, the flammable materials can catch fire, and then the fire will spread to the plastic grate on the fan itself, which then of course can drip to the floor and catch whatever the fan may be sitting on fire. We know from our investigation that there have been many of these fires in the United States. They've involved everything from major property damage to minor property damage, and then also, unfortunately, the loss of life. We know from our work on these cases that the most important thing is to quickly and promptly preserve all the evidence. If you, a loved one, or a friend has had a fire that may have been caused by this type of fan, contact your insurance company immediately so that they can respond with the appropriate investigators and preserve the evidence. Contact your local fire department as well. They will also investigate and preserve whatever evidence they preserve. Then you need to also, if you believe you have a legal claim, contact a law firm with experience handling these claims so that they have the experts available and ready to go to respond to the scene of the fire, preserve the necessary evidence that may be the key fact in preserving your legal claim. Our law firm has handled these type of cases in many different states, and we stand ready to help anyone who believes they've experienced this type of fire. If our contact information is on this website, if we cannot help you, we will do our best to make sure we put you in contact with someone who can.